You're going to put descaling solution in the reservoir. Probably best to have it filled up. I'm going to put that back in. Okay, sometimes it's a little difficult to find the seating, so you'll see that squirt come out. And then you'll basically disconnect this wire here. This is your refill probe. This controls the amount of water. So to clean the gauge or descale the gauge that may not be working, or to fully descale the machine with the machine unplugged or not turned on, you'll disconnect this wire. And now this will overfill the boiler with the descaling solution. And you want to open the steam valve up so the solution comes out through here. And then what you're going to end up doing is powering on after you plug it in. And if you want to descale the group head, you can run it through here later. We might have to add some more solution in it because we probably didn't pull enough. And we may have to push this down further. There we go. So now it's filling. Here's a drain for the boiler, but it doesn't drain it completely because it's higher than the bottom of the boiler. So, okay, and once we have solution that comes out of here, out of the steam wand, that means the boiler is filled, and then you'll let it sit for a few hours. And at that same time, what'll end up happening is the gauge will start descaling. And actually, we'll probably shut this before. So basically, there's a pipe that goes back here for, looks like it's this one right here. So we have to make sure solution gets to above the top of the boiler. Okay, it's going to take a while to fill. We might even need to get some more in there. Once you have it completely filled, it's probably best to leave it for 8 hours so it works its way through this little capillary tube. Okay, we got a couple drips here. Okay, now we know the boiler's filled. It's also coming down here into the drip tray through the OPV. So I'm going to shut this. Now more will be coming through the OPV. And at this point now I will shut it off. Everything is closed and let it sit for 8 hours. To rinse, you're going to rinse the tank, and you're going to need to get 2 to 3 tankfuls of water through this wand. So just to, I'm not going to change it yet, but you'll rinse the tank, then you'll also put clean fresh water in there, and you'll open the steam valve. Okay, so see the pressure that was built up? That means it's going to get to the capillary tube. You'll turn it on. Okay, the pump's going to kick in, and now fresh water's got to start replacing. So probably need around 3 tankfuls, but you're going to need to wait a half hour between each tankful because you don't want to overheat the pump right here because it'll start getting very hot. So you don't want to overheat that. Okay, so this is a process to get the entire boiler cleaned. If you want to do it through the group head, you can here as well. But this is really for more cleaning the boiler than anything else. Running through the group head, you don't have to disconnect all the wires. Okay, so low water cutoff just went. Once you're done with the 3 tanks, then you'll reconnect the wire and get all the panels back on. Hopefully this helps you.